The STR has a thread that is specific to dimensional lumber, meaning that you have thread only in the last part of the assembly. A regular screw tends to have 2/3 of its length that has thread. You will see in the next demonstration the impact it will have. On this side, you have the 2/3 thread, and here you see that the assembly is not as strong as this one, which is completely set.
To build beams or assemble posts, the red screw just cannot help. The STR is an assembly screw made for that. It will help you bring pieces of wood together. All the pieces of wood between the washer head and the last piece of the assembly are going to get squeezed as if you were using a clamp. Using the last piece of your assembly as if it was a nut. Pwr Drive STR, the right length, the right thread distribution for the strongest dimensional lumber assemblies.